Alright, I just want to show you what my son got me for my birthday. My birthday is next week on the 19th. I'll be 57. I'm not ashamed to tell my age. I'm lost two sisters that were young, 38, and my other sister passed away at 57. So, first one had breast cancer. The second one had heart failure and lupus. And I thank God every day that I'm able to see another year. That He gives me another year. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all what my son gave me. I've never had any Polidine products, but he asked what I wanted, and I told him, and as my son does, because he's good to his mama, he ordered it. So, this is it. It's a 4-piece non-stick set, a 10 by 15 cookie pan, a 9 by 13 cake pan, 2 9-inch round cake pans. Look how nice that is. That's so nice. And it's good quality. You can feel the speckles on there too. I don't know what that's about, but I'm going to read the thing. And wash it and everything. And then it has the Polidine's name on there. Oh, that is so nice. And I need another cookie sheet. Mine's like an old cheap one from Walmart. Look at these nice cake pans. These round ones. And this, which one is this one? The 9 by 13 cake pan. And you can do bacon like lasagna in this too. Yeah, I'll be using these. You'll be seeing these when I'm making my cooking videos. I just wanted to share because I'm so happy. He got me the Pioneer Woman mixing bowl set that I wanted for Christmas, and I've used those already. I love them. Oh man, this is such good quality. It feels so nice. Alright, happy birthday to me on the 19th, and this is my girl kitty. Alright. Bye, guys.